In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a pin for Family View on Steam. Basically, you have limited access to your account unless you enter the pin, then you have full access to it. If you don't enter the pin, you can't access the store, you can play only the games you choose, whatever you have full access to, customize it. So how to get here? Well, you have to press on your name here at the top, then account details, and if you scroll down under account details, let's see what we'll find at the bottom, manage Family View. Let's press on it. Basically, we'll have to enable Family View in order to create a pin. Now manage how you will limit the account if you don't enter the pin. For me, I want to have full access to all my games if I don't enter the pin, and I want to access just friends, chat and groups. I will not be able to go to Steam store, community generated content or my online profile screenshots and achievements. Actually, I want to access that without entering the pin. Press on next. Now enter a recovery email address which will help you to reset the pin in case you forgot what pin it is. I will really recommend you to set a recovery email address for this. Press on next after you're done and enter the pin. In my situation, I will just put 1234, 1234, make a better one. Press on next, and now they will ask you for a secret code. What is that? They will send you an email with a verification code which you'll have to place there. Open your email and here is my code. I will copy that and paste the code at the secret code. Press on next. The Family View just enabled because we can see this icon right here. Now we have full access to our account. We can go to store, press on community, but let's disable it. Press on that icon and now confirm. And now we have limited access because we can't access the store or the community. We can access only the library. Full access to it because this is what I set and our profile. If you want to exit Family View, press on this icon. Enter your pin 1234, press on OK, and that was it. Now we have full access once again.